unorganized, destroyed, stuff to the max it is. Look at the damage, guys. I have no words. I have a package. Don't these look like 2 different colors? Hopefully, I will actually be decorating for Christmas.
Counting all my problems, one by one they're falling down on me. One more day in Paris, paradise is not what it's made to be. No, just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking this. These walls are caving in, I can use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart, break me till I'm broken in, 'cause I've been lost but never found. So
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am currently in the living room and I want to hang up the curtains in here. That has been something that's been on my list for a really long time, and I just figured I might as well go ahead and knock that out. So yesterday I actually started the process of hanging up the curtains. I put up the curtain rods and I put up the sheer curtains. So what I want to do is kind of have 2 layers of curtains in our living room. So we have this huge like back door where it had the sliding blinds on there. So I took those down yesterday, and then I put up curtain rods that I got from IKEA, and it's like a double layer of rods. So in the back I want to have more sheer curtains to use throughout the day, or you know, when we want lighter privacy. And then the front layer will have more room darkening curtains that I want to put up if we want, you know, more privacy. So I put up the back layer and I still need to put up the front layer. I was actually waiting to get curtain rod clips to kind of do like that pleated look, kind of something similar to what I did in the bedroom. It's actually the same exact curtains that I put in the bedroom, and I was going to do pretty much the same process of like pleating it and then hanging it on the hooks. But I actually put up these curtains just through the back rod. So IKEA curtains kind of have like 2 options. Let me show you. So they have the option to put your curtain rod through here, and it's pretty much like the traditional way of hanging curtains. But then they also have these hoops or loops in here, and they're a little bit spread out, and I think the idea is for these to create kind of like their own pleating. And I have the curtains on there right now, and I actually kind of like the look. So I think I'm gonna put up the curtains that way just to see how I like it. Now that I'm looking at the window, I think I kind of want to do 3 layers of curtains. So 1 on each side and then a layer in the middle. I might do 2 layers in the middle to kind of give it the illusion of 2 windows, because the window is quite big and wide. And it feels a little bit exposed in the middle because it, you know, it's such a big window. So, and it's a sliding door. So I kind of want to give that look of the having it as like 2 window panes, because I think that kind of looks a little bit better. But let me show you what it looks like. So this is what we have so far. As you'll see, the windows are uneven. So like the curtain rod is farther out, not as far to the wall here, and I might adjust that. But with just 1 curtain panel, you'll see that that's kind of the way it looks. So I feel like I either need to bring this rod in, or I need to put 2 panels over here. I'll do 1 panel right here and then 2 in there. This is what it looks like with when I put it in like the natural, the loops that kind of give that pleated effect. And it does kind of look like it is pleated, whereas this is like the traditional way of putting it, just through that loop and that rod. And it's much harder to move the curtains that way, so I don't really like to do that. That's the finished product for now, which I actually really like. So you can see that you can't see the white curtains in the back because they are for lighter and sheer privacy, if that's something that we want to cover it up, but still be able to, you know, have some light filter through. They're just like light filtering ones. And these ones are the more darker ones on the outskirts. So again, I do like the idea of having the middle piece right here, or the middle curtain panel, and then keeping these on the outside. So I like that. I have these shelves that I purchased off at Amazon that I want to use to kind of organize the shed in the back, where I keep all of like my bigger tools, my scrap woods, things of that nature. It's kind of out of hand. If you saw my bedroom makeover, or at least part 1, I kind of show at the end of the video how unorganized, destroyed, stuff to the max it is. So I really want to try to organize it before it gets really cold, and I don't want to do it. So I purchased these like metal garage type shelves, and I want to put those together and then organize the shed tomorrow.
We wanna believe, but we don't know how. Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking it.
So that wasn't too bad to put together. So I got this shelf. You have the ability to stack these 2 parts, or you can keep them as 2 separate shelves. So it comes with 5 shelves. So here's one, and then here's another one. I'm still trying to decide if I want to stack them or not, so that's why I kind of have it like this. But tomorrow, once I organize, I will definitely, I guess, figure out the type of spacing I need for this. Look at the damage, guys. It is stuffed to the max. I have no words other than embarrassment, but I'm going to fix it today. So let's take all this out and reorganize, shall we? These are from my bed.
walls are caving in. I can use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart. Break me till I'm broken in. 'Cause I've been lost, but never
I
found.
swept as much as I could. Eventually I want to get a shop vac, and so I'll come in here and actually vacuum it up a bit more, but for now the sweeping will have to do. It looks a lot better, so I'm going to start putting this stuff in now. So I'm thinking about putting this against the back wall here.
6 feet underneath the frozen ground. But is it too late? Too late?
Another thing to consider is the fact that I have this fold-out table for when I'm doing and using my miter saw or cutting out here. So I'm trying to figure out where's the best place to put this.
I've been lost.
I'm gonna start putting my tools over here. Alright, I'm gonna put like spray paint and stuff down here. This is where we're at so far. So I have my wood scraps and things all on this side, and then over here is where I have the shelves. So I have my tools, and then just some like other random things like clamps, sandpaper, plugs, painting stuff. Down here I have things that I don't use a lot, so like gardening, and then like cleaning bucket stuff, like when I'm stripping wood. Right here it has like some spray paint and some stain, which I probably will be adding. I'm not sure. I feel like those aren't supposed to be out somewhere where it's like extreme temperatures, so I may move those inside and then switch some things that are inside outside. And then of course I have my miter saw, so I definitely think that I want to get another shelf to put and stack up here. Once I start adding more things out there, I can have better organization. So it's definitely looking so much better. I'm so happy about how it came out, and it definitely didn't take me that long. I was procrastinating because I thought it was going to take a really long time, but it didn't. I'm sure it will evolve as I start, you know, organizing some of the tools inside out here. But I do think that I want to get another shelf just to add more storage once those things starts coming in, and then adding in more organization, so like tubs and things to section things off. I think getting a pegboard will be helpful to hang up my clamps and my triangles and my level, those types of things, just to free up the shelf space, and it'll be more accessible for me to grab. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better about this. I think it looks really, really good. I think it probably only took me an hour, maybe not even, so I'm super, super happy about it. Hi guys. It is a few days later and I have a package. I ordered some new curtains from Amazon because while I do love these curtains, these are the ones that we put in our bedroom. I love the color, but I think that they're a little bit too matchy with the carpet in here, or the rug in here, and it's not giving me any warmth. So I want some more warm tones in here, especially for Christmas. As I'm thinking about these curtains and our Christmas decor, it's not really flowing in my head as I would like. So I got some new curtains that are a little bit more warm. There's enough to put a curtain panel in the middle because I ordered 2 of them. So let's try them out. So they're like a taupe brown. They look a little bit lighter than what I was expecting. So this is the color of them. They look beige and not like brown like as I was expecting. I was looking for a more cool tone brown, but I don't know, maybe it looks darker down. Don't these look like two different colors? Oh, it might just be the way the sun is hitting it. I'm very confused now what it looks like. Gosh, I was really hoping that that would work. Okay, well, that's not gonna work. I was looking for more of a brown, like a lighter brown. So not something so dark where it would be like basically look black. I want it like a medium brown, pretty much. Like this is more of like taupe, like straight up taupe. Like it's not even brown. So that's not gonna work. I'm gonna try to look to see if I can find some other curtains that are a little bit more brown. I am going to adjust the curtain rod so that it comes up a little bit closer to the actual window, so that's not so far out, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I took it upon myself to hang up the curtains that I bought from Amazon just to see if I truly didn't like them or if it was just like the way the lighting was hitting the curtains from this back view, because they'll be against the wall, so it won't be, you know, the light shining through straight through to it. Like there won't be any light coming through at all, so you won't get that same effect or that same color grade. So I was just hung them up to see what they look like, and then I also kept the other curtain that I had on there and pushed it in the middle to see what it looked like to have the 3 panels of curtains, which I love. But I'm going to show you guys, and you guys could give me your opinion because I'm truly not sure what I want to do. Hanging them up, I still think that I don't like them. At least not the coloring. I think that it's still a little bit too taupe, a little bit too cool tone. I want it to be a little bit deeper over brown, like more of a medium brown, but not so dark, again, that they look black. So I'm still gonna plan to take them back, but I just want to get your guys' advice and your point of view and see if you are feeling the same way or if you think that they should stay up there. Hopefully I will actually be decorating for Christmas. There are so many projects and things that I want to get done to get the house ready to have all of these decorations. Things that have kind of just been falling on the wayside, and there's a lot of traveling and family coming in town, so I kind of want to get the house ready for that as well. And so it's kind of like a short window between being able to decorate for Christmas and also like having enough lighting and things in daytime to record it for you guys, because obviously it's getting dark pretty soon nowadays with daylight savings, so that's kind of cutting into the time a little bit. So I'm hoping to have a Christmas decorating video out next week, and hopefully you guys will be able to see it. It'll just be part 1. I'll be doing more decorations, but this would kind of get me started on the decorations that I have / the areas that are ready for decorations, and then I'll come back with more DIYs, more decorating, things of that sorts. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully that'll be up next week. If not, it'll be up potentially the following week, the week of Thanksgiving. I'm planning on having a video go out, but I do have family coming in town, so I'm not quite sure how that's gonna roll out, but I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted and post on the community board so you can see whether or not you can expect a video. But if not, I'll be back the next week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in another vlog. Bye.